Hello everyone, I'm Parul. Today I'll be teaching you how to add a new environment inside a Jupyter notebook. Right now we have these environments installed and we'll be adding a new environment called my environment, my env. And for that, first of all, we open Anaconda prompt. We create environment conda create -n, name of the environment my _env, and then we specify the Python version, Python equals to 3.6. The environment is getting created now. Hit yes. Why? Now we need to activate this environment. Conda activate my env, and now we need to inside this environment we need to install ipykernel pip install use user ipykernel and hit enter. Now Python. Now we have to just add this environment to the Jupyter notebook. For that we run the command python -m install ipykernel, then -user, then -name is equals to my env, and then hit enter. No module name install. Why? Okay, the order was not correct. Pip python -m ipykernel install, enter. So now we have installed this environment inside the Jupyter notebook. Now we open it and we refresh, and we'll see that the environment has been installed, which is my environment. So that's it for today's video. Let me know if you have any doubts in the comments.